Hey guys, this is Andrew for TradingSenses.com. So I'm a professional trader and I've been working for several big investment banks like HSBC or Commerzbank, and I've just started to make YouTube videos because I want to pass the knowledge, guys. I see that a lot of you have some interest now into investing into the stock market, but you don't know exactly what technique to use and who you can trust. So I'm here, guys, to talk about my experience and show you what I like to use, all the different techniques that I use at work and that work for me. So today I want to talk about all the penny stocks, guys, that went very high this recent days. One of them is CLVS. So let's get into it. So guys, for those who watched my previous videos, you could see that I've already spoken about that stock, CLVS, and that I was seeing a very nice potential. So basically, the way I do this, I'm hanging out, guys, on Twitter, on Wall Street Bets, and I have all these guys, that give you, they talk about GME, they talk about AMC, and they give you like the different potential targets. So then I'm going to use my techniques and I'm going to check if the targets are for me nice or not. So for example, on Twitter, you have like so many guys, that just talk about like the different stocks they would buy, like PLCEs, DDS. I'm going to check all of them one by one, and I'm going to tell you if yes or no for me it's a buying, there is a buying signal or not. So the first thing I do is that I just check the market capitalization and the short interest. Because when the market capitalization is low, it means that if all these guys associate together, which they like to do, they can have a strong impact on the stock. Like for example, if they do the same thing on the Bitcoin, it won't have a big impact because the market cap of Bitcoin is around almost $1 trillion US. But when you go to some penny stocks that have around 1 or 2 billion USD market capitalization, with a strong short interest, all right? Who is shorting the stuff? Hedge funds that think that the fundamentals are bad and that the stock should go lower. And when you have a big short interest, which is true for all this list, guys, I'm gonna check all of them, then it means that potentially you can have a short squeeze. What happened on AMC, what happened on GME, and what will keep happening on those stocks if there is enough buying power that comes together in the game. All right, so first CLVS, guys. So the earnings you can see are just going lower. So this is the reason why the hedge fund are attacking the stock. This stock was worth 100 like 3 or 4 years ago, and now it's like 12 times lower, around 8. So here we have a breakout already that occurred around 6. So if you haven't bought 6, you can still, it's a very nice level to buy. I think that we won't see this level again. We have overcome another resistance that was like the highest level we had here. I was talking about this in my previous videos, guys. And this was actually on the shorter time frame. You can check on the 4 hours time frame. It was the level that we had this build up. You can see, guys, we had a descending triangle here, tag and tag. All right, and it got broken on the upside, and now we go higher. So we might come back maybe to 858, something like this. I don't think we're gonna go lower now. And we had this maximum here. The 3 most recent highs were around 8, and that's why this consolidation happened at this level. So right now, what is happening, guys? We are going higher. The next resistance level would be 15, and then 31, and then 100. All right, guys. So it's a hot stock. I can see there is a lot of discussion about the stock in all these forums. I told you I'm on Reddit, I'm on Twitter, and I'm checking everything that is happening here, guys. All right, because those guys, they're actually pushing the market in the direction they choose. So I'm not sure who is like taking the decisions on these forums, but what I can tell you is that I went through the list of the shares they're talking about, and a lot of them look attractive, technically speaking. All right, so I've just done this very quickly, guys. Nothing else to say for now. So I'm a buyer around 8, taking profits around 15, even 17 for the first level, and I'm gonna do many more stocks. I'm gonna do them one by one. So guys, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new, and stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.